Well, I've done a thing today. I've been looking for a truck for a while, and yeah, whether or not she will run full time is the question. That's let's see here. That's Bradley under the truck doing the important stuff because I have no life skills. But we're about to learn a bunch. Let's see what we got. Let's flip this over. Okay, I'll flip over in the middle of a video. Come on. Oh, that's pathetic. But yep, we have a 1995 Ford F-150 that apparently doesn't like to change gears at all.
Well, it doesn't like to go park, reverse, neutral, drive, but it changes gears when it's in the drive.
Exactly. I mean, when it's in drive,
it
works.
First and second.
Bradley, I forgot to mention something.
What's that?
So, you know how we always joke about the Charger being a land yacht?
Yeah.
This thing drives like it's a hoverboat.
Oh, I imagine she looks pretty plush.
Well, we're going to hit the road and God help us because, yeah, there's a story. There's a story to go over this, so I'll tell that to you guys later. We made it. Pretty full day. You want to explain the day a little bit?
Started with getting stuck, and then getting stuck some more, and then getting another truck stuck, and then driving and buying this.
Yep. That's pretty much it. Yeah, we went to U-Haul, just in case you guys don't know, and they don't allow anything over a decade old, apparently, to use a trailer for anything. So we don't have a U-Haul trailer of any kind. We have this beautiful Ford F-150. Let's open the door and see why it was.
Maybe you can smell it through the camera.
Yeah, if you could, you might want to cover your nose. You know, Google released Smell Vision not long ago. Oh, this thing is. Hold your breath. Yep. You might get some herpetosyphilis. Wow, it's just so bad. I'm like literally this far away. It's awful. But yeah, so the entire inside has got to go. Other than that, it does drive and run, but it makes some great squeaking noises when you're selecting gears. But after you hit the accelerator, it's fine. So
A grind's not a squeak.
Grind's not a squeak.
Yeah.
It grinds, but it's fine for now. So as we tear into this over time, you'll get to see it. I'm thinking it's a potential 413 candidate. Bradley doesn't. He doesn't want to put the beautiful Mopar in the F-150 at all. But we'll see. So yeah, that's it. That's going to be a short video, but this is the start of the channel. Welcome to hell. I mean our Ford F-150 project.
Yeah.
See ya. So it's earlier on the next day. I forgot to mention what we're going to call the Ford F-150. Bradley didn't necessarily agree with me on the name for a while. We're back and forth, but we eventually came to the right one when he pointed out the sticker on the back window. You might not be able to read it, but it says Cowgirl. So yep, this is my Ford F-150 Cowgirl edition. So we're gonna jump into it in the next few videos and see if we can get it running correctly. If not, you'll get to watch me cuss a lot, yell a lot, whatever you'd like. All right.